Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited Luxury. Powering this four-wheel drive SUV is a 3.6-liter gasoline V6 paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission capable of getting you only 10 to 13 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the hatch of the vehicle, you have this great retractable cargo cover, which reveals lots of cargo space. You have access to a 12-volt power adapter, your factory subwoofer, as well as a powered lift gate. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows. You have driver seat memory, your lighting controls on the dash. The steering wheel has your display controls, hands-free audio, and adaptive cruise control. This vehicle currently has 67,330 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit which controls your heated front seats, heated steering wheel, and has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go. You have your dual zone automatic climate controls, parking sensors, lane departure warning, as well as Eco and Sport modes and auto start stop. You have your gear select as well as four-wheel drive controls, drivetrain select, and hill descent control. This vehicle has black leather seats and the front two are power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have handles to help you get in, a great view of the panoramic sun moonroof. You also have cargo nets in the back of both front seats. You have heated rear seats, rear AC, and power ports, as well as these are 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip-down cup holder in the center. If you would like to see this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited Luxury in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.